Come say hi to your mama. Say hi, mama.
Hi, Mama.
Say good morning. Here, I'll turn it around so you can see. Come on this side. Now you can send your mommy a message. Say good morning, mama.
Hello, Mama.
Are you looking at yourself? Look at your beautiful smile.
How are these?
Let me take a peek. Make sure it's on you. Yeah, it's on you. Gonna do your dance for your mama? Oh, oh. Okay, okay. Okay. You're so silly. Okay, now do your dance so mama can see it. Say, this dance is for you, mommy. No, no, no. Baby, you can't grab it. Okay, tell her, this dance is for you, mommy. Say, I practiced it and I'm getting very good. Okay, now it's time to do it. You need to open your eyes, honey. Dancers have to have their eyes open. Yeah.